In today's video, we are talking about security and safety for our lovely cars that we love and put so much money into. We are talking about security camera, how easy it is to install, and ease of access on our phones wherever we are. Today we are installing security cameras to keep both Evos protected. The GG is currently outside. But before I do start with this video, I wanted to welcome the video sponsored of this video, which is going to be Reolink. Reolink is a company that was founded in 2009. They've been devoted to creating the best cameras possible. And not only the best camera possible, but cameras that are easy for DIYers like myself and some of you guys that work on our own cars. These cameras are meant to be as easy as possible to install, and you guys are gonna see this once we install the outdoor one, how easy this is going to be. They're supposed to be the easiest cameras to install, ease of access on their app. So when Reolink contacted me, I always think about these sponsored videos, how can I benefit some of you guys? And I saw this as an opportunity to not only benefit me in protecting the Evos, but obviously protect some of you guys that not only have your Evos, but some of you guys don't even have a garage. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm sometimes paranoid and I have a garage. And I can only imagine those people that don't have a garage. So the point of this video is to bring you guys aware of something like this that is honestly super affordable, great quality, and wait till you guys see how easy an outdoor camera is to install for those of you guys that don't have a garage. I see this as something super important. Obviously, I hate with a passion when I see cars being stolen and I see those Instagram posts like stolen. If you guys see it, please hit me up on my DMs. I hate that feeling. I hate seeing that because I just can't believe that someone's capable of stealing somebody else's property. It's just something that's completely messed up, but that's neither here or there. Let's go ahead and get into this install and show you guys these cameras because it is insane how easy this is going to be. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and start with camera number one, which this is going to be our indoor camera for the garage itself. This is the Reolink E1 Pro. This camera, this little guy right here, has 4 megapixels of Super HD, 355-degree pan, and 50-degree tilt. It has dual band Wi-Fi, two-way audio, and night vision. Insane for a little device like this. Gone ahead and decided to actually install here on this corner on the roof itself. That way I could kind of capture the whole garage, the door, and the window, which is the most important parts, obviously. It comes with all the screws, how to install it on the roof, instructions and everything. So honestly, everything's super simple. Alrighty, so the first camera has been installed. It took me like 5-10 minutes. No, actually 10 minutes because I wanted to run the cable hidden through the back. You guys know how I am. So camera's installed. Now let me show you guys how crazy and simple this is to put on my phone and see my garage live wherever I am. So let me go ahead and grab my phone, set this up on a tripod. Alrighty, so let me show you guys how crazy this is. I was reading through the quick start guide and all I have to do is scan this QR code with my camera. Click over here. We're gonna go ahead and install the Reolink app that comes up. Once we open the app, it's probably going to guide us over on how to set up the camera, which is simple and to the T. Connected to Wi-Fi. Let's go ahead and click here on the plus icon. So now what we have to do is scan the barcode that's underneath the camera. So I'm gonna have to get up on the ladder real quick, scan it. Obviously, I'm not gonna show you guys the barcode because that will be for my camera. But essentially, you just scan this with the camera. Let me go ahead and scan this real quick. Now all we'll do is just follow the prompts. So connect to your Wi-Fi, obviously, make sure the camera's powered on. It's gonna guide you through everything. Just follow the steps and then I'll show you guys the finished result. So this is where things get super cool. As you guys can see, I already set up everything. I labeled this camera as inside garage. I can go ahead and click on this, see a live view of what's going on. There's me. Hi, camera. You guys could talk. I could talk to somebody. So if you guys had kids or anything, not even just kids, anybody in the garage, you could talk. You can move this camera left completely around. Obviously, I put it in a corner, so in my case, it doesn't apply. I could pan it like up and down if I wanted to. So I could go down. Let's say I was working on the red and I wanted to record something there. Or I could go up. I don't know why anybody would want to look at the roof. But in this case, you know, some people have it on their counters or things like that. Let me go ahead and move this exactly how I had it. I think it was about, oh, too much. There we go. That's about right. I can see the whole garage. So this one's already set up. Now let's go ahead and set the other one. The features that it has, honestly, super cool. You guys can even subscribe to their cloud services and you guys could get all the recordings saved. Like you don't need like an actual place to save it. They could just save it on their cloud. So now we are going to go ahead and install the one that really impressed me. What you see is literally what we are going to install. We could put it anywhere, 1080p, full HD, night vision, you name it, everything, pan and tilt. It has a rechargeable battery with a battery inside that will last me God knows how long. And they also have a solar panel adapter that unfortunately I didn't get in time, but I could put a solar panel adapter on this and I never ever have to charge it. Motion sensor that sends me alerts to my phones. Once it detects like any motion around, it will notify my phone and basically I'll get a notification that something's happening and I can see what it is, who it is, what's going on. I mean, you name it, two-way audio and everything else that a camera should bring on this small package right here. So let's go ahead and install this one, which is just gonna be 2 screws mounted like this, and I am set to go. I don't have to do no wiring or anything like that, which is a plus. Just like that, we are completely set up. In less than, I would say, 30 minutes, we have both cameras set up. We have a camera inside the garage, and we also have a camera outside the house that looks over the front of the garage, the window, and actually the front door of the house. So not only am I protecting the garage, I'm also protecting the house. Now I can see when UPS or USPS, FedEx are bringing car parts and they're delivered, I could confirm, make sure that they're safe as well. So huge shout out to Reolink for sending these products out and sponsoring this video. Honestly, whenever I bring a company on board, I think about how you guys could benefit from a video like this. And honestly, for the price point of you guys having peace of mind to protect these cars that we love and we invest so much money on, for 30 to 50 bucks, you can have an insane camera that's on your phone 24/7. And then the outside one, which I believe is 130 right now, which is not bad, with the fact that it's completely Wi-Fi, no wires whatsoever, and you can install it, like I said, you can install both cameras in less than 30 minutes, which again is super easy for DIYers like ourselves. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. Like I said, I hate when I see one of these cars that we invest so much time in, our passion, our money into, and it gets stolen. So a little bit of safety here, a little bit of a different video. If you guys did enjoy it, don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe. It will mean the world to me, and not just to me, but to the channel. It helps the channel grow. It helps me make these videos possible with companies like Reolink. I'm gonna link everything down below, the cameras that I use, their website and everything. So until then, I'm gonna leave it there. Like always, keep grinding and be safe. Take care.